Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. In last video we already learned the definition of vector space. Then we also learned some applications of vector space in engineering. In today's video we will solve some problems on vector space. So today's first problem is let V is equal to xy such that y is equal to ax. Xy matrix, xy means column matrix given a such that y equal to 5x under usual addition and multiplication. Then verify that V is a vector space. So we have to given that V is equal to column matrix xy such that y equal to 5x, and we have to verify V is vector space. Simply we have to check that 10 properties of vector space is satisfied or not. Okay, so we know that first property is closure property. Property means if we take suppose u and v be the elements of V, suppose u v belongs to V. Okay, if u belongs to V, then we have to take u is equal to xy, but here xy given a, so instead of xy if we take x1 y1, we have to, because we have to take V also, and V is equal to x2 y2 belongs to V. Then using this we can write, if we take u is equal to x1 y1, then how to define this in set V, that is y1 is equal to 5 times x1. Same here, if we take V is equal to x2 y2, then we can write y2 is equal to 5 times x2. Now we have to check first closure property u plus V. Now u plus V is equal to simply addition of two matrices here, x1 y1 plus x2 y2 is equal to x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2. Okay, now x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2, this is also column matrix, can be written as using this y1 plus y2 is equal to 5 times x1 plus x2. Directly we can write this step here, y1 plus y2, or we can write using this, what is the value of y1 here, y1 is equal to 5x1 and y2 is equal to 5x2. Means simply we have to check here y1 plus y2 is equal to 5 times x1 plus x2 or not. So if we put y1 and y2 here, then we get 5x1 plus 5x2 here. Value of y1 is 5x1, value of y2 is 5x2, and if we take 5 common, then we will get 5 into x1 plus x2. So from this we can say that y1 plus y2 is equal to 5 times x1 plus x2, and therefore u plus v belongs to V, means additive property is hold under addition, or V is closed under addition. Then second property is commutative property. If u and v be the elements of V, then we have to check u plus v is equal to, now u plus v, if we take addition, that is x1 y1 plus x2 y2 is equal to x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2, and we know that addition is commutative, so x1 plus x2 we can write x2 plus x1 and y2 plus y1, because this x1 x2 y1 y2, these are the numbers of matrices. Okay, so is equal to, and x2 plus x1 y2 plus y1 we can write this way, x2 y2 plus x1 y1, यहाँ पर एक स्टेप डायरेक्ट लिखिए, what is x2 y2 plus x1 y1, that is v plus u. So u plus v is equal to v plus u. Okay, so commutative property is hold. Then we have to check associative property. In associative property, u plus v plus w, so this is the addition of u and v, that is x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2 plus v is x3 plus, mistake here, w is equal to x3 y3 with the element of V. So if we take addition, then we will get this step, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 y1 plus y2 plus y3 can be written as, we can write this x1 y1 outside, that is x1 y1 plus in next matrix x2 plus x3 y2 plus y3, that is equal to u plus v plus w. So associative property is hold. Then next one is, if we take suppose 0 belongs to R, u belongs to V, then u plus 0, 0 is 0 matrix here. Okay, so u plus 0, that is x1 y1 plus 0 0 is equal to x1 y1 means equal to u. Okay, then property number 5th is, that is inverse property, means if minus u is equal to minus x1 y1 minus u is equal to minus x1 y1 such that minus x1 y1 belongs to v such that u plus minus v is this one, u plus minus v is equal to x1 y1 plus minus x1 y1 is equal to 0 0 means equal to 0. Then means here we get u plus minus u is equal to 0. Okay, also this property is satisfied. Then next property is alpha belongs to R, u is equal to x1 y1. We have to check closure property under multiplication, that is alpha u belongs to v or not. Here alpha is scalar. Okay, alpha is scalar, so if we find alpha u here, then that alpha u is equal to alpha into x1 y1 is equal to alpha x1 alpha y1 can be written as alpha y1 is equal to 5a alpha x1. Okay, so alpha alpha get cancelled, y1 is equal to 5x1 means we can say that alpha u also belongs to v, means v is closed under multiplication. The next property is alpha plus beta of u. Here alpha and beta are the elements of R, so alpha plus beta of u is equal to alpha plus beta of x1 y1 is equal to alpha of x1 y1 plus beta of x1 y1, because alpha and beta are scalars, means these are the numbers, we can separate this way. And what is this x1 y1? That is u, so alpha u plus beta v. The next one is alpha into u plus v is equal to alpha into, this is x1 y1 plus x2 y2 equal to alpha into x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2. Okay, can be written as alpha x1 plus alpha x2 alpha y1 plus alpha y2. If we separate this to addition, that is in first column matrix we write alpha x1 alpha y1 plus alpha x2 alpha y2, and this alpha is scalar, we can take outside matrices. So if we take here outside alpha into x1 y1 plus alpha into x2 y2, that is equal to alpha u plus alpha v. Okay, then we have to check associative property of this, that is alpha and beta are the elements of R, then alpha into beta of u is equal to alpha beta of x1 y1 can be written as, if you multiply first beta inside matrix, then beta x1 beta x y1 is there, and again multiply alpha, so alpha beta x1 alpha beta y1, and from this we can take again alpha outside, that is beta x1 beta y1. Okay, is equal to alpha into beta u, and last one is 1 belongs to R, u belongs to v. If we take this, then 1 into u is equal to 1 into x1 y1 equal to x1 y1 equal to u. Therefore all 10 properties are satisfied here, so from this we can say that v is vector space over R. So next problem is verify whether the following set is vector space. V is equal to xyz belongs to R3 such that x plus y plus z equal to 1. So we have to check this set is vector space or not. Okay, now we will check one by one property here. So first property we have to check closure property under addition. So for that, if we take suppose u is equal to x1 y1 z1 and v is equal to x2 y2 z2 belongs to v, then we have to check u plus v belongs to v or not. So if we take u is equal to x1 y1 z1, so using this we can write x1 plus y1 plus z1 is equal to 1, and v is equal to x2 y2 z2 belongs to v. If we take this, then we can write x2 plus y2 plus z2 equal to 1. Okay, now we have to check u plus v. So if we take addition of u and v, then we will get u plus v is equal to addition of the two matrices x1 plus x2 y1 plus y2 and z1 plus z2. Okay, so using this we can write x1 plus x2 plus y1, means we have to check here x1 plus x2 plus y1 plus y2 plus z1 plus z2. इसकी वैल्यू क्या आनी चाहिए? 1. If we get this value of this term is 1, then we can say that V is vector space, or not V, then we can say that U plus V belongs to V, means additive property hold then. Okay, so how we write here? X1 plus y1 plus z1, write in one bracket, x1 plus y1 plus z1 if we write in one bracket, plus in another bracket write x2 plus y2 plus z2, that is x2 plus y2 plus z2. And what is the value of x1 plus y1 plus z1? That is 1, plus x2 plus y2 plus z2 is 1. Okay, so we get equal to 1 plus 1, or if we write here more step, देखो हमें ऐसी स्टेप मिली वहाँ पर x1 plus y1 plus z1 plus x2 plus y2 plus z2. And if we take u is equal to x1 y1 z1 such that x1 plus y1 plus z1 equal to 1. So what is the value of this? This is 1, plus x2 plus y2 plus z2 is also 1. This is equal to 2, not equal to 1. What is LHS here? LHS is u plus v. Okay, so this is equal to 2, not equal to 1. So from this we can say that u plus v does not belongs to v. And if u plus v does not belongs to v, then v is not closed under addition, and therefore v is not vector space. Okay, now for practice you can solve these problems. Verify whether the following sets are vector space or not. First proper problem is v is equal to xy such that x and y are integers, then some polynomials are given. Then this problem means which one? This one already solved. Now same these two problems are same. Okay, then ABC belongs to R. You can check all problems. I think this is not vector space, this is also not vector space. Okay, then this is vector space, this is also not vector space. You can check easily here. Okay, in next video we will start subspace. Thank you.